Hey, good morning. Standalone land clearing here. Beautiful day in northern Arkansas. So this is just some of the life of maintenance on a skid steer. I've got some hydraulic lines that have some cracks in them and they're starting to seep. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these off and replace them and clean up in here. These are the hydraulic lines that control your quick connect pins for your attachments. There was a big plate on here that I've already taken off. I'll show you the plate. Fairly easy to get to. Just a few bolts on top here and 3 on the bottom, which is good. I by no means am a mechanic. Anyway, so this is life of land clearing.